What are some ways to motivate my child to participate in organizing their space, especially when they don't see the clutter as a problem? Very common, right? So, number one, we want to discuss the benefits. Explain how a clean and organized space can lead to less stress, much more enjoyable use of the space, and linking it to their interests. For example, it's easier. I noticed that it's easier for you to find your gaming gear or your books when your desk is organized. Involve them, collaborate with them. Okay, we want them to be a part of this decision making. So let your child choose the tools and methods. Give them a sense of control and ownership. They will be much more likely to implement them when no one is watching. And lastly, start small. Begin with a small area of the space you're trying to organize that your child cares about, to show the immediate feedbacks without overwhelming them. Again, you may want to start with an area that's not too messy, just so your child has a win.